Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is August 20, being Wednesday, 2025. A lawyer sent this to me this afternoon. This is about the legal notice of 2025 Cyber Crimes Act. It is now in full force. Before, we have been hearing about cybercrime, what is in the cybercrime, and police has been arresting people because of cybercrime, and if the case gets to court, the case is being challenged as a law that has been cancelled, that the cybercrime don't exist in Nigeria any longer. Later, do we know that there is something going on underground, that the federal government of Nigeria is trying to bring cybercrime into full force. Now, listen to me. In this cybercrime, I'm going to explain, part by part that concerns someone like me, someone like you. You are managing WhatsApp group, Facebook group, all those things. These people want to put everyone in the cage. They want, in fact, this is more dangerous than the military regime. I'm going to read out things to you. For example, if you come out online to say that you want Nigeria to divide, you want secession, it's a life imprisonment in the Cyber Crime Act. So pay attention. Let us follow this one by one. First of all, what the lawyer sent to me said the federal government has officially enacted the cybercrime bill into law, meaning all provisions contained in the Cybercrime Prohibition, Prevention, etc. Act are now fully enforceable and binding across the country. Everyone, especially online users, content creators, and administrators of digital platforms or social media groups, must take note of the following key provisions. So these are the key provisions that you are going to take note. Number one, key offenses under the Cybercrime Act. One is unauthorized access to devices, Section 3. Gaining access to someone else's phone, computer, or digital device without their permission is a criminal offense, punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment. I think this is okay. Now you now hack into someone's account, you go into someone's phone without the person's notice, meaning you are liable to up to 5 years imprisonment. But I know the reason why they do all these things. Sometimes secret documents that they have. Sarah reporters will just publish it. That look at what the government are trying to do. Look at what they are trying to do. The document will just be revealed. So such thing, the person that revealed the document will, have up to 5 years imprisonment. Like when Wike gave his son land, nobody knew how the document came up because they were hiding it. So such a document, maybe Wike could say that you get access to his computer to take it. I don't know. All right. Let's understand number 2 there. Say, tampering with data, Section 4. Modifying, deleting, obstructing, or interfering with another person's digital data without lawful authority is illegal, punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment. For example, now, maybe you gain access into someone's account or anything. You now edit some things. Okay, I think that is very good. Now, number 3. Disclosure of critical information, Section 5. Now, every investigative journalist, this is where they have come against so many of us, okay? They are saying that critical information, that when you share classified documents, sensitive or critical information, infrastructure with unauthorized person is a serious offense. I don't understand. Are they referring to what we have been saying, that the APC government imported terrorists into the country? So if someone share such information, they are putting 15 years imprisonment. I mean 15 years imprisonment. If you share, not that they are saying false information, information that is true, but because it is sensitive. So you should not share sensitive information. I should not come out to tell them that they imported terrorists into the country. I should not come out to tell them that the governor from Boko Haram and gave Boko Haram Commission of Religious Affairs. So I don't have power to say it again according to this law. We are going to test the law, okay? We are going to test the law because this is repugnant and it's not compatible to the freedom of speech as enshrined in fundamental human rights. That I see a sensitive information that is true, that could save a nation, that could save people, because the information is sensitive. If you say it, they will take you to 15 years imprisonment. I laugh. Now, you people are trying to understand why we tell you that this country won't work like this, okay? Now, let's go to the next number 4, okay? It says recording private conversation. That is Section 10 of this cybercrime. When you record private conversation, that is the reason why they stoned the Sowore's idlers. You know, sometimes we can put biro here, put items that can record conversations. Even when you come to airport, when they are taking bribe, you just want to expose something, you are recording privately. They are used to do that. Okay. Now they are saying that it is now a crime by this law, and is punishable by imprisonment up to 2 years. All right. Publishing false and misleading allegations, section 19. Yes, everybody's against false information. Anything false, everybody's against it. Now, it says spreading fake news or publishing content that is deliberately misleading or deceptive is a criminal act, punishable by up to 2 years imprisonment. That one, I don't have context to it. Okay. Now, misleading information, I don't know whether does that equal to fake news, because I personally I am against fake news. Nigeria is surviving today because of fake news. They can come out today and tell you that the president has done this, has done that. The government every day they are spreading fake news. Today they will tell you that the economy has been stabilized. Which economy? Fake news. Every life the government are living are propaganda. They do propaganda. Even when Tinubu entered, his first year was full of propaganda. He will travel abroad, he will come back and say, United Arab Emirates, right? Is that Dubai? That they have, cancelled the visa restriction on Nigeria. Dubai will come out to say, no, it is a lie, we did not do so. Tinubu will travel and come back and say, we have a shipping company that is coming to invest 600 million. The shipping company denied. So the kind of propaganda and misinformation this government is even bringing is enough to clap it down. Okay, so I think this law is not for the rich. It's not for them. It's just for the poor. People like me and you, they want to stop us. They want to, jail us. They want to kill us. They don't want you. They see the power of social media, how social media is trying to challenge them. Social media is shaking the table. That is why they want to regulate it. And many of you remember when Sultan of Sokoto said that social media is a terrorist organization. Yeah, this is what they mean. All right. Number 6, they say, that is section 22 now. Say online harassment and abuse. Mind you, we are just speaking what they sent to me. It's just important section in the cybercrime for us, okay? Online harassment and abuse, section 22. Posting content that is rude, vulgar, offensive, or indecent, especially with the intent to embarrass or humiliate others, is an offense. You see the sentence they are using here, rude, vulgar, offensive, or indecent. So if you post information that is true, maybe they see you post it in a rude way, they will just put you to 2 years imprisonment. Tinubu. Hey. Now, number 7 here, inciting ethnic hatred or division. Yes, ethnic hatred is not good, okay? But what do they mean by division? Inciting division? When you come out to say, no, this country is not working, this country should divide, you are inciting division. Section 24 says, attempting to provoke ethnic or religious or tribal hatred through online or offline statements amounts to domestic terrorism, punishable by life imprisonment. Punishable by life imprisonment. You see, these politicians will be the first people to incite this, but nobody will question them, nobody will ask them. But when it is turn of a poor man, they won't go back to putting the person in the prison. Okay? So these are the things. Say note that if you are an administrator of a WhatsApp group, Facebook page, Telegram channel, or any other online community, you can be held liable for the content shared by members if you knowingly allow illegal content to be posted or fail to moderate appropriately as such. Always monitor your groups, enforce community guidelines, and avoid circulating unverified or inflammatory content. Stay legally protected. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. In this digital age, it is essential to understand and comply with the provision of the Cybercrimes Act to avoid prosecution. Be responsible with your digital activities and protect your legal and personal reputation. This one is another wall. Go work. The sites when they legal, when they bindable, that is enforceable, that is not contrary to human rights violations, will be enforceable. Not that because I bring a sensitive information. As an investigative journalist, maybe you go and unravel so many secrets from the government, you post it. So you are entitled to life imprisonment. These people want to protect themselves. Now, there is security in the land. People are dying every day. The first thing these people did is to protect themselves. You understand? They they have security all around them. Now, this internet age, people are now exposing what they are doing. they have to bring the Cybercrime Act to also protect themselves. Not be person say make them throw away Igbo people into the lagoon. What are they going to do the person? Is it not the president wives that say that they will push out Igbos and take their properties? I still have the video up to today. What are they going to do to such a person? No, we just do things as if, you see, this country is not compatible. And by saying this now, I'm offending that cybercrime. Just by saying that this country is not compatible. So I am risking life imprisonment now as I speak. These things are laughable, they are laughable. Seriously. So by saying that this country is not compatible, oh, look at how these people are doing, look at, you risk life imprisonment. So it is well. And just in addendum, I learned that in Kanu State, a husband and wife was arrested for committing adultery in the hotel. A husband and wife, how come? They say Hisba police arrested them. Whether they have been released now, I don't know. A country that has two laws, a country that is not compatible, a country that kills her people, unable to protect her people. Her people are dying every day. And people don't still want to understand that there is no place called a country of such. A country is a place that has the ability to protect the lives and property of the people. That is the primary purpose of establishing a government. But these people continue to push towards things that are against their citizens. It shall not stand, in my own opinion. Let me know what you think about this video. I am Okochapi myself.